Hi guys! Today we're cooking with mother sauce number 9 drunken noodles, the blue label. Now, some of you may know that MS9 drunken noodle sauce is very versatile and can be made into so many different dishes. For example, Thai chicken cashew, kaprao gai aka basil chicken. But today we're making one of my favorite dish, the spicy eggplants with chili garlic sauce and fresh basil, with the leftover grilled steak from 2 days ago. Basically, it's a makeover, and let me tell you, it is crazy good. You might grill a steak just to make this dish. Though I should mention that you can use any leftover meat, pork, chicken, or even raw meat and tofu. Just be sure to follow the simple recipe below. Let's talk about the eggplants. I prefer the Japanese eggplants because of their skin is thin and the flesh is tender. But you can substitute it with any other type of eggplants. By the way, if you're using those big ones that you normally see at grocery stores, peel the skin first because they tend to be thick and rubbery. Now I air fry my eggplants at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You can roast them in the oven if you don't have an air fryer. Just be sure that they are soft, tender, and golden brown. One last tip. There are always 2 rounds of seasoning, one at the protein and the second round is at the eggplant. This will guarantee full coverage and a well-seasoned dish. This is why I designed my mother sauce number 9 bottles to be squeezable, so that you can easily squeeze the sauce. And notice that I always squeeze the sauce directly onto the hot wok area around the food. That's because the heat will cook and caramelize before incorporating everything together in the wok, making it a tastier dish. For more inspirations on what to do with your leftover or what other dishes you can make with mother sauce number 9, please comment below. Find my sauce at Etsy, that's esty.com, and search for mother sauce number 9. Enjoy your cooking guys and see you next time. Cheers!